Hello, I'm Bill Ferguson. I work with people to resolve the problem areas of their lives, heal relationships, and create great lives. And I want to talk about something today that's so important. And I want to talk about one of the ways that we sabotage our lives. And it's something that I call the law of resistance. Whatever you resist, you're going to magnify and give power to, whatever it is. Example, imagine on the ceiling above you 4 large yellow balloons. Now, whatever you do, don't think about them. Now, what happens when you try not to think about the yellow balloons? You get more yellow balloons. And the more you fight the yellow balloons, the more yellow balloons you get. And the same principle applies in every single area of life. It's like a law of physics. Another example. Have you ever had a relationship with somebody and that person had a characteristic that you couldn't stand and you resisted that characteristic? What happens to the characteristic when you fight it? It grows. And not only does it grow in your perception, it actually shows up more in the world around you. Here's another example. If I'm resisting somebody leaving, if I'm resisting losing somebody, I'm going to hang on to the person and push the person right out the door. Whatever you fear and resist, you create. Just look in your life. Literally, whatever you fear and resist keeps showing up over and over and over again because the resisting creates it. Now, here's another thing. Look at the areas of your life that work great. These are areas where you can flow with whatever happens. You don't get hooked. You're very effective. That's why these areas work. Now look at the areas of your life that don't work. Those are areas where you can't flow. There's something in your life that you're fighting, and in your fighting it, you magnify it, you give it power. Effective action can create miracles. Effective action can create a great life, but not the inner state of resisting. Literally, whatever you resist, you're going to magnify, you're going to give it power, you're going to bring it to you. So the way out of this is through a process called letting go. When you let go of the resistance, you restore your inner peace. When you have inner peace, you can see clearly. And then you can make your decisions and take action based on fact instead of emotion. When you're in a state of resisting, it's not about facts. It's all about emotion. So one of the most important skills that you can develop in your life is the ability to let go and to flow with whatever happens. And we're going to talk more about this later. Now, if you want to learn more about how to create a great life, you want to learn more about why your life is the way it is and how to have it be great, go to my website. It's masteryoflife.com. And then go to the section called Articles and More. And read the articles, watch the videos, and it'll just give you a lot of insight into your life. Also, I do individual work with people, I have programs, and I have courses. So I invite you to join us. Well, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. I've very much enjoyed doing this with you, and I look forward to seeing you. Oh, and if you have any questions or you want to share anything, post a comment, and I'll be sure to get back with you. Well, take care, and hope to talk to you later. Bye.